Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. So today we are making a very cute, inexpensive, very popular plant stand out of popsicle sticks. So get your popsicle sticks ready and let's get started. Okay, items you will need: popsicle sticks, some kind of sanding tool, a pen, scissors, glue of some sort, paint or stain, and a brush. So here we're creating the base. You're gonna need a pen and scissors. Marking on one of the popsicle sticks to create your groove, you're gonna go ahead and cut two of the popsicle sticks the same length, hot gluing them together on top of the long popsicle stick, creating a groove. Now you will get the other two sticks and go ahead and just glue them on together, creating your base. So here we are creating our legs, gluing three popsicle sticks together, creating a U shape, and you're going to do that with all four legs. Okay, so here we are going to glue our legs to the base. I'm going maybe about 1.5 inches from the bottom. All the glue I'm using is hot glue. You could use wood glue, the 6000 glue. It's all up to you, but for filming purposes I'm using hot glue. And you want to go ahead and put enough glue on them. I am putting a good amount of hot glue on each leg so it'll be nice and sturdy. Once you have it all put together, go ahead and clean off all the excess glue that you have around it, and now you're ready to stain or paint it. I'm using a Folk Art Home Decor wax in the antique color. Okay, and here's the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Give it a thumbs up if you guys like this video, and leave some comments down below. Alright, you guys have a good day. Bye.